Got a Shovelhead frame here that I'm going to install the steering stem cups. So I had it powder coated. You want to put some grease in here just so it slides in a little better, and do the same at the bottom. So what I did, I've already installed the outer races in the cup. So you just bang those in, just like I didn't make a video, but you can look at the video I did for my swing arm bearings. Same concept. So with this, put some grease in here. You can heat this up a little bit. The heat will expand the metal. I put this in the freezer for a little bit. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to start this, bang it in here. It's chrome, so you don't want to mess it up too much. I'm going to put a 2x4 on here, just like this, and bang it down so it's level. And then as it goes down, and then you just want it to seat. You could do this first and then do your races. I actually did my races first. I thought it would be easier to do them on the bench. So I'm going to take this cup. I've already greased inside here a little bit, just want a little grease, and I'm going to start it, and then I'm going to continue hitting it all the way down. I'm going to use the dead blow at first. I don't want to mess up the chrome. The idea of the board is to do even pressure and it doesn't mess up the chrome. So when you're done, you're gonna have to clean out all that sawdust. Clean everything out, grease up the bearings. I'm gonna do another video to show you how to pack the bearings. And then you wanna make sure it seats everywhere. So just look around real close, make sure there's not any gaps. You hear the sound difference. If you can't get the bottom coming this way, I suggest just turn the frame upside down.